Check it on the big screen. See me? Listen. From them time, you know it's me. Me have gal from town to country and big zaw. Yo, drip life rhythm. Squash find it, yo fuck. Yo, right now squash find it. Yeah, boss. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's how we want to say. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Go listen to your boss, you know.
Urban team. 6 clean. Watch up on the big screen.
Yo, the rhythm alone tough. The rhythm alone, yo brother, just listen to listen to the front type. The rhythm just clear, the dog just drop in nicely. See me? 60. Check it on the big screen. See me? Listen.
Urban team. 6 clean.
Give me like Afrobeats.
Watch up on the big screen.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. See me? Remember, we have the giveaway. I go take place. See me? We have a brand new PS5. And me I go give away. You don't have to pay for enroll. It's just we're gonna pick some people randomly and we're gonna give it away. Listen. On to music. Don't play that.
We bad because we drive them mad. 6. Bang if you real, we had beat every time. Please give me room and the vibes I'm
Ball of your life, we do it every time. Please give me room. Yeah.
Feeling the vibes. The girl I want like she pulses so tight. Need a
So, let me break down the song, you know, come. Listen. The song pretty much. The song name Need Her. So the man pretty much tell us say he meet a girl pussy tight, and from that him just need her. Him just literally need her. Him cannot do without her. That is literally all it is about, yo. See me? Like that's it. And the song just, brother, this is a big hit, bro. Like that song you have to run the place. Have to run the place. Right now Jamaica go on too much fuckery. Jamaica want I can be a bad man song them want to go viral. This figure viral. Man I talk about girl. This figure viral. Listen to boss, you know. Now, Squash have one of the most unique voice. One of the most unique way of yo, I don't want to say riding the rhythm. But yes, riding the rhythm. So yo, I think the dog just master how to literally, me that say, he master how to cooperate himself on a beat. Or cooperate him voice, make him more, well, that wouldn't that be like a fucking engineer job? Shit, nigga, me don't know, me not a producer. But when you get what me I try to say, you see me? Him apply himself well. When it come to music, beat, music. Alright?
Let me talk to you for a second now, baby. Make me take you shopping on something now. No. Buy you one Benz or W. Take your figure eat lunch and fuck you out.
That tough. Buy you a Benz or MW Bimmer because it wouldn't rhyme. So him take out the B, put it at the end, and use the B as a Bimmer. You see me? So yes, that was unique. That was good. That was creative.
Don't worry about the waste man, we turn him in a dopey show. So get active. You my bad bitch. Clean from my head, hammer to my clock chip. Bang if you real, we had beat every time.
Tell me say it's just a minute and the song is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. And you already have a vibe. We don't need to explain certain songs, we don't need to break down, you know. We don't need to break it down. Simple.
Please give me room and the vibes I'm like. Feeling the vibes, the girl I want like she pulses so tight. Need her, need her.
Right now I'm going to turn a DJ. About 20 million blood clot time and I pull up that song.
Need her.
This song, what the fuck? Yo, it's song does have a meds, bro. And I them think that we need in a dancer right now, brother. Some song will make you get up and want to dance or move. The song mellow, but you just still want to put a little move to it. You understand what I mean? Cause big song.
Saw me drip, I saw me bad, big bass, bitch suck your pipe, that kill a life. I saw me mad, take a shot at the any, dirty girl, body cock up by your pussy fat, money enough, big house, me a killer.
Dog say, body fat, I'm body cock up pussy fat, and him a killer. Don't play with squash. See me? Don't play with squash. Alright. Do not play with squash. The man literally, I tell you straightforward, he have a lot of money and have a lot of killers around him. See me? Don't play with him.
Money in my pocket, I'm a bossy. Rich like Gates, but low key. Need her.
That was kind of tough. Rich like Gates, but low key. So, obviously, he's just exaggerating a little bit. He's not as rich as Bill Gates. But there's also a Kevin Gates. You never know. Bang,
I feel real, we agree every time. Please give me room and the vibes I'm alive.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Feeling the vibes, the girl I want like she poses a tie. Need her.
No, there's one thing I don't like. And I've never liked it, like, forever. I mean, I like when time man sing about, if you sing about a girl, just sing about girl. Don't sing about badness or gun. Like, I just never like it. You see me? I just did always want you to keep it. If you're singing about girl, keep it as you're singing about a female. If you're singing about gun, keep it as you're singing about gun. You see me? I just never like it. However, song, 10 out of 10 already.
Babes, come on now, hold up. Let me talk to you, figure second now, baby. Make me take you shopping now, something now. No.
Baby.
Buy you one Benz or W. Bima. If you go eat lunch and fuck you out, no worry.
Hear that, man? You go buy your beds or Bima. Take you go eat some lunch and fuck you out. Yeah, man, we are top. We are stop with them gala meal ticket. Say it with me. We should stop be these girls' meal tickets. Okay? Okay. Just saying.
For the waste man, me we turn him in a dope show. So get active. You my bad bitch. Clean from my head, hammer to my glass chip. Bang, I feel real, we agree every time. Please give me room and the vibes I'm like. Feeling the vibes, the girl I want like she poses a tie. Need her, need her.
Tell us the man sang bad dog. Oh fuck on! Why them need her, breed her, seed her, blood clot. Yo, I think me already say it, yo. This song bad. Me listen to the song already, dog. Listen to me. Me up on me Apple Music, and it come on. I say, yo, this tough. And this nigga dropped this what? Hold on. This nigga dropped this song 6 days ago. But that's crazy, bro. This nigga ain't getting no views. 6.2k views in 6 days. That's wild. That's wild. Personally, I think that song is the shit. Yeah. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. But I think that song is a 10 out of 10. I think it could be a hit so far for this year. Could be wrong. You know what, nigga? I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna like it. And I'm gonna comment. Yo, where the fuck is my comment box? Okay. This is a hit for sure. Where's my fucking fire emojis? Oh, right here. Damn, nigga. Okay, so frequently used. Damn, nigga. Alright, where the fuck can I find fire emoji? See, this is the thing with fucking MacBook, bro. You gotta scroll through shit. Like, damn, nigga, like, give me a break. Brother, no farm if I go for fire right now. Not time for that, you know. So, yeah. Comment. So, yeah. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.